Good morning, my dear students. As you know, we are doing our chapter 9 of statistics, measures of central tendency, arithmetic mean. Today, we are going to start the new topic, weighted arithmetic mean. When the different items of a series are weighted according to their relative importance, then the average of such series is called weighted arithmetic mean. It means when some weights are being allotted to the different items of the series according to their importance, then we can find out the weighted arithmetic mean of such series. It is denoted by x bar w, where x bar denotes arithmetic mean and w denotes weights. The formula for calculating weighted arithmetic mean is x bar w is equal to sigma wx upon sigma w. Here x bar w is the weighted arithmetic mean, w are the weights given to each items, x are the items of the data, sigma xw is the sum or addition of multiples of x with w's means items with weights, and sigma w is the sum total of weights. Here is an example showing how weighted arithmetic mean can be calculated. We have been given marks, that is x 81, 76, 74, 58, 70, 73 and the weights corresponding to the marks. Now, first of all in the solution, we will write down the marks x, then we will write down weights. Next, we will do the total of weights, that comes 28. It is done by adding all the weights given to the items. The third column, we will multiply weights with the items. First is 81 into 2, it becomes 162. Second, 76 into 3, it becomes 222. Third, 74 into 6, it becomes 444. Fourth, 58 into 7 becomes 406. Then 70 into 3 becomes 210, and then 73 into 7 becomes 511. So in this way we will gonna multiply weights with the items. Similarly, earlier as we have multiplied frequency with the items, here we are using weights to multiply with the items. Here we are not having frequencies, we are having weights here. So we will multiply weights with the items and we will have our sigma wx by adding these multiples, and that becomes 1961. So, by putting the values into the formula, x bar w or the weighted arithmetic mean is equal to sigma wx, that is 1961, and divided by sigma w, that is 28. We will have our answer of weighted arithmetic mean 70.04.